In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export AutoCAD drawings to different file formats quickly and easily. Whether you need to save a drawing as DWG, DXF, or export it as a PDF, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Once your file is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Application menu, which is the big A icon. This is where you'll find important file options like saving, exporting, and printing. From the menu, click Save As. This opens the save options for your current drawing. Now choose the file format you want to export to. For example, you can save your drawing as a DWG file if you want to keep it in AutoCAD's native format, or you can select DXF if you need a version that can be opened in other CAD software. After selecting the format, choose the save location on your computer or in your project folder. Then enter a clear file name so you can easily identify it later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. If you want to export your drawing as a PDF, AutoCAD gives you another easy method. Start by clicking the Output tab at the top of the interface. In the Output tools, click Plot. This opens the Plot dialog box, which is where you can configure your PDF output settings. Inside the Plot window, go to the Printer or Plotter section and select DWG To PDF.pc3. This tells AutoCAD that you want to print your drawing to a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. Next, set the paper size to match the layout you want and choose the correct plot area so only the portion you want is included in the final file. This step is important because it controls how your drawing appears when exported. After reviewing the settings, click OK. AutoCAD will then ask you where you want to save the PDF. Choose the location, give the file a name, and save it. In just a few seconds, your drawing will be exported as a PDF and ready to share, print, or archive. And that's how you export AutoCAD drawings to different file formats. You now know how to save as DWG or DXF and how to create a PDF version using the Plot tool. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.